YouTube, what's good? Today we got a simple haircut. As you can see, my boy is braided up. He usually has like a curly top. He decided that he wanted his tapered hairline to be that big. I didn't choose it for him. He just went to the braider and then came to me. So how we're gonna start this haircut, we're just gonna take all the puffy hairs down. So with the hairline, I started with a 2. Everything else, I took it down with like a 1.5 with the grain. And right here I have my 1 guard. For the taper, we're gonna go skin but not bald. I kind of just contradicted myself, but we're just gonna excuse that for a moment. So we're not gonna go too light, just lever close, and then we're gonna use our balders like just a little bit, you'll see. So clean taper, he doesn't get any enhancements. Yeah, my client has very sensitive skin, and I kind of learned that today. I didn't use the shavers on him on the back of his neck, but he told me that he kind of got some irritation. It may have been from the trimmers. It wasn't a scar, it was just like irritation bump. So we had to investigate that. I had to watch the video back because I thought I used the shavers on him, but then I watched the full length video back and I realized I didn't. So I'm just like, interesting. But yeah, you always want to have that open line of communication with you and your clients. He wasn't mad or nothing. He was just, he just wanted to check in with me. But yeah, for his beard, we're just gonna trim it down. I like to be completely transparent on this channel. There's nothing really to hide. I show good cuts, bad cuts. I think this cut came out actually amazing. The hairline was sharp, especially for no enhancements. But there's some cuts I post where it's just like, it gets by, but I still show it. We posting every day, during the week, every day, every weekday. So we getting to it. I see the comments of you guys saying you love the videos. I appreciate that. I really do. And I wanted to take the time out to thank you guys for watching my videos. Want a free haircut? Go to this link down below for more info. So for this side, we're gonna do the same thing. I got my custom FXs. I don't know if you guys noticed, the lighting gets weird whenever I bring the yellow clippers in the frame. I think it's because the iPhone's trying to like overcompensate for the lighting, if that makes sense. You see how I have regular clippers here and it doesn't do that? I don't know. Those are my thoughts. Same thing on this side. We're gonna do a taper. This is like a mid taper. Using them corners, man. Look at me. I'm just using the corner. That's it. Even when I put a guard on there, I'm still using the corner. Even the corner of the trimmer. That's how you do it. I'm taking his beard down just a tad, just to kind of even out that patchiness. That was what he was looking for. Kind of like a smoother look. Now, this was a little difficult. We had to, kind of scoop in there to trim this down. Now, as you can see, his hair grows in different directions, so the irritation could have been from this, just simply going too close on the skin. Yeah, even me, I get like bumps on the back of my neck. If my hair is growing a certain way and like a barber just, even when I do it myself, I'll go a certain way against it and it just cuts it weird, and then it grows like a bump and it itches and stuff. It's tricky the way you cut hair. It's tricky. It all plays a part. Same thing in the back. We're gonna stretch this out a bit. As you can see, you got the bun going. Looks dope. The braided bun, the samurai braid. This is the samurai hairstyle. So we're gonna lift up the bun, try and get up under there. We're not gonna clean it up too much because it's gonna hang over anyway. But you wanna make sure you get up in there, because we're not sure what style he's gonna wear once he takes the braids out. but we're cutting it according to the braided look, if that makes sense. That's why we take the hair fully down in the front, just like this. If you didn't have braids, I wouldn't be doing this. I would be gradually fading it into the longer hair. But he has braids, so of course you don't want it to look puffy. You want to lay it down. So we're gonna rub some alcohol on his skin just because he had some grease. So if you have a client that just got the braids done and it's like greasy, do this. Do what I'm doing now. Just spray alcohol all over the skin if your client can handle it, and then just simply comb it and blow dry it with cool air. Right here, I'm pushing them back. It's like, nah. Well, I am, low key. Yeah, we making it crispy. Doing what I gotta do. Same thing with the C cup, keeping it sharp. As you can see, he had a lot of overgrowth on his hairline, so in order to make it straight, you do have to, push it back a little bit. Every hairline is a pushback to a certain extent. So this side, his lineup was a little lighter, but we still gonna make it crispy. Around the ear, making sure it's nice and crispy. And we're gonna do the bottom of his neck to kind of give it a more masculine look to his jawline, to complement his face shape more than what it was. Shout out Easy Blade. Now we're using our razor. I actually got the link up with them at the expo. I'm gonna be dropping some content for that soon. Expo was dope, man. Super dope. Finally linked up with a lot of people. Jeezy, Basio, Dre, Clipper Hands, Wavy K Kev. All of us. Josh X Barber. We all was there, man. It was dope. So now I'm gonna use my shaver. And this is how my client came in. Look at that. And this is how he's leaving. I'm gonna catch you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.